this is GEMINI and I'm really excited. I'm a Take Charge expert and author. I work with women and children across the globe, and now a gender neutral membership site is coming up, Take Charge Ultimate. Take Charge Ultimate is my dream project where I have put in a lot of strategies, ideas and real life formulas, my Take Charge 5X formulas. So every day we are uploading new and new content over there which will help you take charge of your life. So this was a membership portal which was available for free for last 2 years, and now we are going to give you a nominal fee and you can log in and get programs worth lakhs and lakhs of rupees. I've got 2 video programs uploaded over there. I have some amazing things that you can take home, sit on your desk and think about taking charge. So I have video programs and PDFs uploaded. So if you want to start taking charge of your life and you want to see how life feels when you have taken charge, come on to my portal takechargeultimate.com, and we are going to share some amazing. I'm also going to be doing workshops, webinars and video calls with people who would like to go take their life to the next level. So if you're thinking of Take Charge 5X formula where you want to unmask the potential of your employees or yourself and you want to really soar higher, imagine a life that is exactly the way you dreamt of. Yes, I am going to help you achieve that, and that's my promise to you. So come to Take Charge Ultimate and we are going to share some amazing ideas and strategies. Welcome.
This is GEMINI. I'm a Take Charge expert and author, and I'm on a mission to empower people and take charge of their lives. So I want to help everybody across the globe take charge of their life just like I have, because I understand the value of taking charge of your life. Once you have taken charge of your life, you can take your life into the direction that you want, the life that you want to live, the life of your dreams, and what you want and how you want, you can achieve with a mindset of I can. So while I want to empower millions of people with a mindset of I can, I have created this program, My Life Is. It's a journal as well as a video series where you will be given step-by-step instructions of what you want to do in life and how you want to transform your life into something that you really would enjoy living and will be empowering others on your path of discovering this world. So life is beautiful and it has many beautiful aspects of it, but we lose those small joys in life in day-to-day stress. So how to break through stress, how to have better relationships, and what you can do to 5x the growth in your life. So this program is all about everything that I have experienced and I have used, using tools and strategies which are simple. 2 minutes, 3 minutes of videos that you can watch for another 100 days or 90 days. And those videos are going to help you fill in every detail in this book. And that is going to give you a perception of your life that you have never had before. So I would really be very happy to share my program, My Life Is, with you. And look out for more videos and instructions coming up in other manuals for you to check what exactly you can do to take charge of your life. Thank you. This is GEMINI.